Hi guys, let's publicly test Scholastica. Scholastica is an AI assistant for computer science first year students who missed classes. It will help them with their area of concentration and the assignment of the day. We have created our prompts, loaded it with the school syllabus. So right now, we are asking Scholastica to help us with COM 101, which is the course code, week number, week 2, day of the week, Monday, the exact way it is in the syllable, because Scholastica is capable of browsing the online. So if you don't specify how you want it, it can start getting you some other things. It can start fetching some information online. So you can see right now, we got COM 101, week 2, computer networks and internet, Monday, February 12th. Topic: Basics of Basics of network protocols. So you can see the assignment is still giving you suggestions. It can help you solve your assignment. So now let's cross check if this is correct using our prompt. COM 101 week 2. So let's look for it. COM 101 week 2. So we are looking at week 2 Monday. You can see we have it here, COM 101 week 2, which is computer networks and internet, Monday, Friday 12th. You can see it. You can see the assignment down here, so you can see that is correct. So right now, let's go back and change some stuff and look for another course. Let's say from 102 here. Let's say week 4, and the day should be Friday. Let's say Friday. Another good thing is that Scholastica is not case sensitive. You can use your uppercase, lowercase to, make your request. So let's wait for COM 102 week 4 Friday, and after that we're going to cross check if it's right or wrong. So with that we'll know if Scholastica is doing the right thing or the wrong thing. Okay, so right now let's see what's going on there. You can see COM 102 week 4 is wireless networking, Friday, March 2nd. Topic is wireless mesh networks. So let's go and check. You can see the assignment there, design a wireless mesh network topology. So let's go down and check. I think that should be our last. So you can see our last prompt. So you can see that's wireless networking, Friday, March 2nd. Topic: wireless mesh network. You can see the assignment there. So with this, I can say that Scholastica is really helping. This was built with AWS PartyRock, which is an Amazon Bedrock. I've said it before. So you can see you can remix that. I'll drop my link, the link to Scholastica. You can test it. You can check it out on your own. Thank you for watching.